Hi, I'm Jeremy from Willow Home and Landscape. We're a design build firm based out of Eastern Lancaster County, Pennsylvania. We are currently hiring for a landscape crew member position, which entails installing new landscapes, maintaining existing landscapes, as well as assisting the hardscape crew on their larger projects. 3 reasons I think this is an amazing career. Number 1, in a few days' time, we completely transform a home from a blank canvas to a beautiful landscape. Number 2, we've been maintaining some of these homes since 2005, so over 20 years of building relationships with these clients. Number 3, installing landscape lighting. It's so much fun to see the client's reaction the first time the lights come on. Want to learn more? Apply at willowgateshome.com/careers or call us at 717-341-0540.